Hey this is my second video, and today's topic is today's topic is autumn winter fashion. And well, if you're fashion savvy like me, then you'll know what it is. It's tartans, checks, kind of gothic, whatever, etc, etc, etc. Anyway, Gin Jam features of that, and we were having a discussion about it because I was wearing a Gin Jam print skirt, and we were in the library. Ooh, I'm not a boss, seriously, it's like I'm the gates. The librarian was like, ooh, gingham, and I was like, but I didn't say anything, but I was like, gingham? I mean, what the fuck? You know what I mean? It was like, it's a Gin Jam. And I was telling my mum about it, and she was like, it's gingham. And I was like, no it isn't, it's Gin Jam. And yeah, really freaked me out. I was like, it's not gingham, it's Gin Jam. So yeah, that was kind of freaky. So if any of you weird people call it gingham, please comment and say, did you say it gingham or whatever in a way you want, or a video response, that would be easier. But anyway, yeah, so that was kind of freaky. Moving on to the rainbow thing again, it keeps on raining and shining, and I haven't seen any rainbows. It's done that for about a week, and I have not seen not one rainbow. I'm just like, I want a rainbow, man. I want a pretty picture. And it's like, not good. So I'm quite depressed now. But and also, dun dun dun, I'm single. Wow. I bet that was a surprise. Yeah. Maybe some of you didn't know I was single. I wasn't single before. But anyway, I'm single. And he keeps on phoning me. Okay, twice today. I'm just like, not picking up. I don't want to pick up. I don't want to pick up again. It's like, no. So yeah, for some reason, I don't care. Because he's not. Nobody is. I'm not watching this. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you're watching this, I'm so sorry, but anyway, so yeah, that was kind of interesting. And also, my cat wants to eat me. Ah! My cat was looking at me the other week, and she looked at me, she stared at me, and she licked her lips and said like, and I was like, she wants to eat me. I was quite scared. And also, my sister's child, oh, he's so cute, he's a baby. He keeps on staring at me, like he wants to eat me, and he's called Charlie as well. And I'm just like, okay, people who are called Charlie, stay away from me, they want to eat me. I'm really scared. They want to eat me. And I'm just, please, just step away. I don't want to be eaten, okay? No, I want to be alive. I don't want to be eaten by cats, by babies. That's just freaky. Yeah. So anyway, I think I better go, because I have to have some food. It's feeding time at the zoo. That's what I like to say when it's feeding time. It's because I'm really weird. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Yay! And I'll get back to you later. Bye! I love you! Some people that don't know. Bye. I love you! Bye! It's Family Fortunes with Fun and Cat Henry. Bye!